let's dive into setting up the Kivicare Zoom Telemedicine OAuth app. First, head over to the top right corner and click on Build App. Once there, select OAuth and hit the Create button. A little pop-up will appear. In the pop-up, start by filling in the first field, which is the app name. Let's call it Kivicare. Now, choose User Managed App as the app type. If you want to publish this app on the Zoom app marketplace, just turn on the button and click Create. After clicking, you'll be redirected to the app credentials page. Here, you'll find 3 important things. The first, client ID. Second, client secret ID. So here you can generate a link for client ID and client secret ID for Zoom Telemed. And the third is redirect URL for OAuth. Don't forget to provide your website link in the redirect URL field. Also, decide who can allow access to your app. So copy these links and add a link in Dr. Dashboard, and in the setting in this Telemed you can see all the fields on your screen, so simply paste the link here and click Continue. Next, you'll be taken to the basic information page. You can fill out some basic info about your app here, but we'll skip that for now. Just hit Continue again. Now, you need to give a token link that's provided by Zoom. Once you do that, simply click on the Continue button. In the Scopes and in this Meetings section, make sure to select all the checkboxes available. This is important for the app's functionality. Once you're done, hit Continue again. There you go! See how easy it is to set up the Kivicare Zoom Telemedicine OAuth app.